Hello everyone. Today we're checking out 5 amazing 3D printers that are quite popular in the market right now. Thinking of buying a new printer? Then this video is just for you. We'll talk about their speed, quality, pros and cons, so you can easily pick the best one for yourself. But before we dive in, let's take a quick look. Which printer is best suited for whom? If you want outstanding speed and modern features, the Fulsson S1 is the top choice. For creative multicolor printing, the Creality K2 Combo performs brilliantly. If you need speed and easy setup for hobby projects, the Creality K1 SE is a great pick. For beginners or casual makers, the FLSHFORGE Adventurer 5M Pro is absolutely perfect. And if reliability and a large community support matter most, the original Prusa MK4S is the most trusted name. Whichever you choose, these 5 3D printers deliver excellent performance and quality without comparison. So let's get started. Number 1. Fulsson S1. Let's start with the first product. This is the Fulsson S1 3D printer. If speed and precision matter to you, the Fulsson S1 is a powerhouse. With a blazing max speed of 1200 millimeters per second and a 350 degrees Celsius direct extruder, it delivers fast, high-quality prints. The stable delta structure ensures smooth, accurate movements, while fully auto-leveling means setup is simple and stress-free. Just unbox and print. Plus, real-time intelligent monitoring keeps an eye on your print job, so you can relax. Pros: ultra-fast printing, smart monitoring, durable metal build. Cons: weighs 112 pounds, so it's a bit heavy and takes up space. This printer is perfect for advanced users or pros who want cutting-edge speed without compromising quality. Final verdict: the Fulsson S1 combines speed, precision, and smart features into a reliable 3D printer that's ready to go right out of the box. Number 2. Creality K2 Combo. Next up, the second product on our list, the Creality Official K2 Combo 3D printer. This printer is a game changer for anyone into colorful and creative 3D printing. With multicolor printing support using CFS and a speedy 600 millimeters per second print speed, it offers both versatility and efficiency. The full auto-leveling feature takes the hassle out of setup, while dual AI cameras give you real-time monitoring from multiple angles. The next-gen direct drive extruder ensures smooth filament flow and precise prints, all within a large build volume of 13.78 inches cubed, perfect for bigger projects. Pros: multicolor printing, advanced monitoring, large build size. Cons: higher price point and slightly complex for beginners. Ideal for creative professionals and enthusiasts who want to push the boundaries of their projects. Final verdict: the Creality K2 Combo offers top-tier features and quality for serious makers ready to take their 3D printing to the next level. Number 3. Creality K1 SE. Now, let's take a look at the third product, the Creality K1 SE 3D printer. If you want a fast and user-friendly 3D printer, the Creality K1 SE is a strong contender. It prints at a solid 600 millimeters per second speed and features hands-free auto-leveling, making setup a breeze. The flagship-level direct extruder and quick-swap tri-metal nozzle ensure smooth, high-quality prints every time. With a print size of 250 by 220 by 220 millimeters, it's perfect for most home and hobby projects. Plus, its metal build keeps it sturdy, while weighing just 22.5 pounds, easy to move around. Pros: fast printing, easy setup, durable metal design. Cons: slightly smaller print volume compared to larger models. Ideal for hobbyists and home users looking for a balance of speed and convenience. Final verdict: the Creality K1 SE offers impressive speed and smart features in a compact, reliable package, perfect for everyday 3D printing. Number 4. FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M Pro. Coming in at number 4, we have a product that's perfect for beginners and hobbyists, the FLSHFORGE Adventurer 5M Pro. This 3D printer features a one-click auto printing system, making it super easy to start your projects. With speeds up to 600 millimeters per second and a quick detachable 280 degrees Celsius nozzle, it balances speed and convenience well. Its core XY all-metal structure adds stability and durability, while the multifunctional build plate supports a wide range of materials like PLA, ABS, TPU, and more. The 220 by 220 by 220 mm print volume is great for most personal projects. Pros: easy setup, versatile material support, durable metal frame. Cons: print volume could be larger for advanced users. Ideal for beginners, educators, and casual makers who want a hassle-free experience. Final verdict: the Adventurer 5M Pro offers a user-friendly and reliable 3D printing experience, making it a smart choice for those new to 3D printing. Number 5. Original Prusa MK4S. And finally, the last but definitely not least product on our list, the original Prusa MK4S 3D printer. Known for its reliability, this printer comes fully assembled and tested, ready to use right out of the box. It features removable print sheets and includes a 1 kg Prusa PLA spool, so you can start printing immediately. With a print size of 9.84 by 8.3 by 8.6 inches, it's ideal for most projects. Pros: dependable quality, great community support, and easy setup. Cons: slower print speed compared to some newer models. This printer is perfect for makers who prioritize consistent results and value a strong support network. Final verdict: the original Prusa MK4S is a trustworthy and user-friendly 3D printer that's perfect for both beginners and experienced users looking for quality and reliability.